sauce, baby. We're about to play a song that we love. But here comes our singer. My best friend, and his name is Mark. Mark Montoya. And I'm Jake Hartman.
What's up, dog? Home Skizzle Biscuit! Hi, Cassie.
Hi, all my friends. Alright, we're about to...
You know, this song is for our old friend, him.
Pinocchio.
And here we go.
Alright.
Now,
Now, but we wrote
Just a
this
second,
song.
just a second.
We wrote this whole thing. Aye. Gotta fix something.
Camera fell a little, you know.
Aye.
Alright, here we go, buddy.
One, two. I'm not
two.
understanding.
Alright, a one. It's you. A one, spares three. Oh, Pinocchio. Oh, Pinocchio. You were a good friend. But
Now you gotta go, 'cause you gotta show up.
oh yeah!
Now it's solo!
Oh yeah!
That's a wrap, folks. Pinocchio. You will be a real boy sometime.
Now, listen up and listen good. If you like that song, play some comments. If you didn't, play some more that said that you hate it.